約伯記第一章。
Job chapter 1.
烏斯地有一個人名叫約伯，那人完全正直，敬畏神，遠離惡事。
There was a man in the land of Uz, whose name was Job, and that man was blameless and upright, and one who feared God and shunned evil.
他生了7個兒子，3個女兒。
And 7 sons and 3 daughters were born to him.
他的家產有7000羊，3000駱駝，500對牛，500母驢，並有許多僕婢。這人在東方人中就位至大。
Also, his possessions were 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, 500 yoke of oxen, 500 female donkeys, and a very large household, so that this man was the greatest of all the people of the East.
他的兒子按着日子各在自己家裏設擺筵宴，就打發人去，請了他們的3個姊妹來，與他們一同吃喝。
And his sons would go and feast in their houses, each on his appointed day, and would send and invite their 3 sisters to eat and drink with them.
筵宴的日子過了，約伯打發人去叫他們自潔。他清早起來，按着他們眾人的數目獻燔祭，因為他說：恐怕我兒子犯了罪，心中棄掉神。約伯常常這樣行。
So it was, when the days of feasting had run their course, that Job would send and sanctify them, and he would rise early in the morning and offer burnt offerings according to the number of them all. For Job said, "It may be that my sons have sinned and cursed God in their hearts." Thus Job did regularly.
有一天，神的眾子來侍立在耶和華面前，撒旦也來在其中。
Now there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came among them.
耶和華問撒旦說：你從哪裏來？撒旦回答說：我從地上走來走去，往返而來。
And the Lord said to Satan, "From where do you come?" So Satan answered the Lord and said, "From going to and fro on the earth, and from walking back and forth on it."
耶和華問撒旦說：你曾用心察看我的僕人約伯沒有？地上再沒有人像他完全正直，敬畏神，遠離惡事。
Then the Lord said to Satan, "Have you considered my servant Job, that there is none like him on the earth, a blameless and upright man, one who fears God and shuns evil?"
撒旦回答耶和華說：約伯敬畏神，豈是無故呢？
So Satan answered the Lord and said, "Does Job fear God for nothing?"
你豈不是四面圈上籬笆維護他和他的家，並他一切所有的嗎？他手所做的都蒙你賜福，他的家產也在地上增多。
Have you not made a hedge around him, around his household, and around all that he has on every side? You have blessed the work of his hands, and his possessions have increased in the land.
你這伸手毀他一切所有的，他必當面棄掉你。
But now stretch out your hand and touch all that he has, and he will surely curse you to your face.
耶和華對撒旦說：凡他所有的都在你手中，只是不可伸手加害於他。於是撒旦從耶和華面前退去。
And the Lord said to Satan, "Behold, all that he has is in your power, only do not lay a hand on his person." So Satan went out from the presence of the Lord.
有一天，約伯的兒女正在他們長兄的家裏吃飯喝酒。
Now there was a day when his sons and daughters were eating and drinking wine in their oldest brother's house.
有報信的來見約伯，說：牛正耕地，驢在旁邊吃草。
And a messenger came to Job and said, "The oxen were plowing and the donkeys feeding beside them."
示巴人忽然闖來，把牲畜擄去，並用刀殺了僕人，唯有我一人逃脱，來報信給你。
When the Sabaeans raided them and took them away, indeed, they have killed the servants with the edge of the sword, and I alone have escaped to tell you.
他還說話的時候，又有人來說：神從天上降下火來，將群羊和僕人都消滅了。 唯有我一人逃脱，來報信給你。
While he was still speaking, another also came and said, The fire of God fell from heaven and burned up the sheep and the servants and consumed them, and I alone have escaped to tell you.
他還說話的時候，又有人來說，迦勒等人分作三隊，忽然闖來，把駱駝擄去，並用刀殺了僕人，唯有我一人逃脱，來報信給你。
While he was still speaking, another also came and said, The Chaldeans formed 3 bands, raided the camels and took them away. Yes, and killed the servants with the edge of the sword, and I alone have escaped to tell you.
他還說話的時候，又有人來說，你的兒女正在他們長兄的家裏吃飯喝酒。
While he was still speaking, another also came and said, Your sons and daughters were eating and drinking wine in their oldest brother's house.
不料有狂風從曠野刮來，擊打房屋的4角，房屋倒塌在少年人身上，他們就都死了。唯有我一人逃脱，來報信給你。
And suddenly a great wind came from across the wilderness and struck the 4 corners of the house, and it fell on the young people, and they are dead. And I alone have escaped to tell you.
約伯便起來，撕裂外袍，剃了頭，伏在地上下拜。
Then Job arose, tore his robe, and shaved his head. And he fell to the ground and worshipped.
說：我赤身出於母胎，也必赤身歸回。賞賜的是耶和華，收取的也是耶和華。耶和華的名是應當稱頌的。
And he said, Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return there. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord.
在這一切的事上，約伯並不犯罪，也不以神為愚妄。
In all this Job did not sin nor charge God with wrong.